Yeah, so my name is Shivam, and today I'll be demonstrating a POC on Microsoft Copilot as an AI-powered sales assistant. So the problem we are resolving is that sales teams spend hours researching the prospects and writing emails manually. So we can go to either copilotmicrosoft.com and or basically you can here type here only the in the prompt only. Like for example, this like I am asking Copilot to research our target prospect and notice how it pulls real-time web data and give a structured business summary instantly. And if I give you this, and you can see Salesforce is the world leading company. So you can see it is giving me all the latest information, like the it's telling me about the company overview, the recent news, then the key challenges and how like AI data analytics could help, then the quick table comparison, then like we can also draft a email or two, like for example, now the key part like generating a personalized sales email such using the research context. For example, here you can see. So you can see it created it. And now if I write like Copilot can also generate a follow-up sequences, a complete outreach workflow in seconds. So you can see in under 5 minutes only, Microsoft Copilot help us research a prospect, do competitor analysis, and draft a full image sequence. So all from a single interface with no extra tool. This is the power of AI-assisted sales workflow. So this is the POC for the Microsoft Copilot. Since we don't have a paid version of it where we can integrate the MCP servers, so we are using this one.